World Abu Dhabi is a mostly indoor theme park located on Yas Island in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It is the world's first Ferrari theme park and features Formula Rossa, the world's fastest roller coaster. This park, opened last November 4, 2010, is located in a 9-hectare park owned by Aldar Properties. It features state-of-the-art thrilling rides. Climb aboard a cinematic motion-based simulator and experience the thrill of your life. Aside from being home to the world's fastest roller coaster, Ferrari World has the highest loop ride, the tallest space frame structure ever built on the planet, and over 40 record-breaking attractions. This is the ultimate destination for non-stop, hyper-adrenaline, heart-racing fun. Benoy architects were in charge of its construction. Altogether, Abu Dhabi has spent $40 billion developing the Yas complex. Ferrari World was masterminded by Aldar Properties, Abu Dhabi's largest developer.
Well, I'm blessed. And I'm so Adobe happy because we are together, my friend, right?
How would you describe this place?
Oh my goodness. You need to dream big to own this car, you know?
Oh, we felt so privileged. This is our once in a lifetime
And a dream come true.
and a dream come true. And that's of Manulife.
Wow, so this is one of your bucket list.
Of course.